Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the material request feature in the buying subfunction of the buying module. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create and manage material requests for efficient procurement. To begin, let's navigate to the buying module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the buying-related functions. Once you're in the buying module, locate the buying subfunction. This subfunction allows you to manage various procurement-related functions, including material requests. Click on the Material Request option to create a new material request. In the Material Request form, you'll find different fields and sections to specify your procurement needs. Start by selecting the Requesting Warehouse. This is the warehouse from which the items will be requested. In the Items section, add the items that you need to procure. You can search for and select the items from your inventory. Specify the quantity of each item that you need to procure. This helps the procurement team understand the requirements accurately. Once you've specified all the necessary details, click on the Save button to create the material request. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the material request has been created successfully. To make any changes to the material request, click on the Edit button. You can modify any details of the material request, such as the requesting warehouse, items, or quantities. Once you've made the necessary changes, click on the Save button to update the material request. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that the material request has been updated successfully. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the material request feature in the buying subfunction of the buying module. Streamline your procurement process with Parsimony's efficient material request functionality. Thank you for watching this tutorial.